Worried the rich man. The poor man replied, your question you cannot answer, for from pain and agony you are free, but I have suffered more. The situation I don't like to be in, that I couldn't understand, because life for me is easy. I take this and I take that, and life is just what I want it to be. Consented the rich man. Comfort your mind, rich man, with realities of death. For you, your wealth I do not envy, for you cannot buy eternity with money. If to live happily is to live in hypocrisy, then I prefer to be skinny, so I will be holy. Life you love so much, you will lose, and only then will you understand what agony is. The poor man shouted, ha ha! You say so? For you desire this place of mine? Indulgent, you have clouded with reason. But I understand because of your situation. Boastfully the rich man said. Outraged the poor man answered. How pitiful the person blinded with pleasure. No, you don't care of our journey that you have created through your greediness. Come now, man of weak soul. Your days are numbered for you to face the man of love. You may not cry now, but later you will. When the healing reality of the last judgment comes across your way, yes, then you will pity, but not for me, not for anybody else, but for yourself only. Yes, eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow you shall die.